Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. Today, once again, I am with you through this offline class with your social science subject for class 9th. You are welcome in this session. You know that presently we are reading the geography part of the subject. Our chapter is drainage. It is chapter 3 of your geography book, India Contemporary. These all things are written on the screen. You can see clearly, and whenever you need, you can watch these things. You can write down the important things on your notebook. There's also a basic and beautiful definition of geography also given on the screen. Once again, I have tried to put my today's information in the form of a question answer so as to make it to the point and strictly according to your syllabus of this class. This helps you in answering the questions beautifully, avoiding the unnecessary lengths, and also this way we are able to understand things. Also, we try to fill the gaps that are there, that have remained there in the context of this subject. At times I do that, and the basic thing needs to be addressed that has been raised in any of the questions in any chapter in this book. We have to be to the point. We have to be precise at times. You know that here, when we see by the examination point of view, there, as per the question paper mechanism of our system, different questions are asked from us. There are long answer type questions, short answer type questions, very short answer type questions, multiple choice questions, including say yes, yes, no, or true, false. All these things are there. And there you are supposed to answer the questions as per the rules and regulations, as per the syllabus. And also in the examination, you have to take the basic care of your time. But when we share some information with you through these lectures in the class or through these offline classes, we discuss other things as well, so as to make the stuff clear enough for you. We also try to localize it. You know that the medium of Reading, the medium of instruction in our schools is English. But when we need, we take the help of, the advantage of other languages as well to understand things or to teach things. For that, at times, we take the help of our mother tongue, Kashmiri language, or at other places there are other local mother tongues, language, and at times we take the help of our Urdu language as well. There is no harm in it. But in exam we cannot do this. There we have to answer in the language that is the set medium of instruction for any of our subjects. I'll try to make all things clear to you about this chapter. In my today's question, this is rather one of your textual questions, is question number 2, can be seen clearly on the screen. Answer the following questions briefly. Some questions are there, many questions within a question. These are 7 questions asked within one question. We have to answer them briefly. I will read these questions, then we will answer them. First, what is meant by a water divide? Give an example. Second, which is the largest river basin in India? Third, where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have their origin? Fourth, name the 2 head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet to form the Ganga? Fifth, why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course? Sixth part, which 2 peninsular rivers flow through a trough? The sixth part is state some economic benefits of rivers and lakes. Now we will try to answer these questions one by one. You may be seeing on the screen, I have written this in a clear form so that you can also read it. With listening, you can also read it. You can write it down on your notebook to preserve it there also. Question number 2, answers. The first part. What is meant by the water divide? Here I have once again wrote the question. Give an example. Answer. Any elevated area such as a mountain or an upland separates 2 drainage basins. Such an upland is known as a water divide. For example, the water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river system. This is very much clear. To the point answer, precise answer. Then their second part, which is the largest river basin in India? Answer is Ganga river basin is the largest river basin in India. To the point answer, very much clear. The third part is, where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have their origin? Its answer is Indus River origin. First of all, we will see Indus River origin near Mansarovar Lake, Tibet. Ganga River origin, Gangotri Glacier in Uttaranchal. It is in Uttaranchal. Then fourth part, name the two head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet to form the Ganga? Answer is the two head streams of Ganga are Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. They both meet to form Ganga at Devprayag. So I've already told you that these names are in the local languages of those areas. We have to try to pronounce them correctly. Then fifth part, why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course? Answer, in Tibet the river carries a smaller volume of water and less silt, as it is a cold and dry area. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall. Hence, the river carries a large volume of water and a considerable amount of silt. So, this is very much clear. There, it passes through a cold and dry area. Here, through a rainy area. So, the difference is clear. Then, sixth part, which two peninsular rivers flow through a trough? Answer, Narmada and Tapi are the two peninsular rivers that flow through a trough. These are the two rivers. Clear answer, to the point answer. Then the last part, sixth part, seventh part. This is seventh part, the last part of this question. State some economic benefits of rivers and lakes. Answer, rivers have been a fundamental importance throughout human history. Water from rivers is a basic natural source essential for various human activities. Therefore, riverbanks have attracted settlers from ancient times. Using rivers for irrigation, navigation, and hydropower generation is of special significance, particularly to a country like India, where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population. So this way, we answered all these questions, and same is the case with lakes. If we see, same is the case with lakes. We discussed it, we pointed out here the case of rivers, and same is the case with lakes. The people who prefer to live near rivers, near lakes, take many benefits from these sources of water in terms of agriculture and all other things. From lakes, we get different types of vegetables, and we can say also some fruits, water, fish, and other things there. And same is the case with rivers. So we can well understand that what are the economic benefits and other benefits of rivers and lakes. How have these sources of water benefited the human race, the people? And this answer is also to the point on answer for this question. I hope that we successfully tried to answer these questions. These were so many questions within one question. I'll be leaving you with the hope that you will try to understand it, listen it, read it, and you will also write it down on your notebook I think this is sufficient for today. I will be leaving you with the hope that inshallah we'll meet again with more information about this chapter drainage, and we'll try to cover all the points which are in our syllabus for this chapter. Wishing you all the best and a nice time ahead. Take care of your health of your family members. Try to build a spirit of helping each other. Try to derive lessons from the prevailing situation. Stay home, honor COVID SOPs. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for listening me, being with me. Take care. Bye. Thank you.